Ladies and gentlemen, and I will ambassadors. As many of you may know by now, I was delighted and proud to launch Step Up to Serve and the I Will campaign 1 year ago, together with the Prime Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition. Giving all young people the opportunity to take practical action in the service of others can make an enormous difference to an individual's sense of purpose, identity and self-confidence. It is an initiative I have been trying to encourage for the past 38 years. So I could not be more delighted that the I Will campaign to make meaningful social action the norm for all young people by 2020 has made such a tremendous start. Of course, what we are really here to celebrate today is the wonderful way in which some young people have already contributed to their communities. And I'm so pleased that our 50 young I Will ambassadors are with you on this occasion.
So after I finished my GCSEs, year 11, I went straight to my sixth form, and our head teacher committed suicide in our school, and he suffered from mental health issues. And then after that period in our school was kind of weird because no one spoke about what happened, and there was a lack of awareness and stuff. So that summer, I'd done work experience in a school in Greenwich, and they had their own mental health conference, and working with their local borough to improve youth provision in mental health in their local borough in Greenwich. And then I thought we should bring that back to our borough. So I picked year 7 and 8 students and a year 12 girl, and we pitched for £1,000 at City Hall for the mental health conference, and then we got the funding. So in the summer that just passed, we hosted a conference for about 200 students where we had workshops of mindfulness, yoga, sleep clinic, the impact of social media on mental health and stuff. And then, so on that day we also had the charter. So we signed the charter with our CEO of Barnet Mental Health Trust. So we're now creating an app to improve mental health provisions in the borough, having ambassadors, students that are ambassadors in schools to speak to other students that might be struggling, 17 and 18. So and then the reason why it gets so much recognition is because it's Britain's first student-led mental health conference. But,
yeah, I read that.
Yeah, that's the reason for that, the recognition and stuff. And then, right now we're working on creating an app with Middlesex University, linking up with Middlesex University and creating an app and hopefully have a mental health board, a youth mental health board in our local borough. So that's the work I've done. Hopefully we can spread it to other boroughs, as you guys are saying. But it's just started off in Barnet at the moment, but inshallah we can spread it and stuff.
But what do you think about social media and mental health though?
You know how people say just log off and that? I don't think it's that easy, do you know what I mean? Some people use social media is more important to them than other people. So when they see other people cussing them on social media and stuff, it really gets to them. So I think even though you can get off your phone and stuff, it's not that easy, but making sure that awareness is there, make sure you say the right things to the right people. I know you have banter with your friends, but someone else might take that wrong. So and also decreasing the use of social media is so important. Even me, I use my phone too much, and even sometimes I won't sleep for a couple hours because I'm on my phone. So social media usually has a negative impact on mental health.
Do you think it has a positive impact in any way?
It can have a positive impact because when I'm on my phone I laugh a lot, do you know what I mean? I go on Twitter, I go on Facebook sometimes, I laugh and that, but a lot of the time it does have a negative impact.
What do you laugh at on Twitter?
Twitter is too funny, shout out Showtime Shirwat, that guy is too funny.
Hilarious.
Wallah, it's too funny.
Is it mostly haram banter that gets you going?
I don't know, but
stuff that gets
funny things get tweeted onto my TL, just retweet, even small things at your big age, or just small things that
the guy that's doing the sock with the arm.
Just things that you laugh a lot into, do you know what I mean?
I want a girl who's mashallah with a dash of stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Twitter is funny, if I had to delete all my apps and keep one, I think I'd keep Twitter. Just because it's so funny.
Characters.
Yeah.
What do you think about mental health in the Somali community?
See, you know what? Yesterday when I left you, I was walking and I was thinking I should tap into the Somali community. But right now, I don't have enough information or enough knowledge to. I don't think make an informed comment on that. But inshallah, I want to study and try and see what I can do.
What's Insta?
Sharky Dan is going to be right
Alright,
there.
so Instagram review.
Right here.
So what are we doing?
Wait, do it.
Review my
Right here.
Instagram, even though I've only got 10 posts.
So we're gonna do an Instagram review of Sharky Dan. That's Sharky Dan, alright? First of all, he's got no display picture.
Should I come down there?
Honestly, so great. First of all, he has no display picture on this thing. Yeah, as you can see.
No display picture.
Which is cool, you know what I mean? Because you know what I mean? So we have the first picture come through. We have him and his boys chilling, gang. He's obviously in the middle because it's his Instagram page.
Yeah.
Duh. His boys are looking fresh. Like he's got the brother in the fresh tracksuit. He's got the brother in the
Hey, that's someone
swag
that I
that
mentioned
shit.
before.
Mashallah.
Shout out to my
Getting in.
Shout out to
All right. Then bam, we got the what is this? Is this the bathroom selfie?
This is, I don't know.
It's not a selfie. Obviously, somebody took a picture. I was swimming.
I finished swimming. And I thought, yo,
We got the in the house chilling with the cap on. That Boston. Chilling outside. We're outside now. We got the jacket on, a puffer
very
jacket.
clean, bro.
Yeah, but it's chilled though. Bang, gang. Now we got the Camo brothers. I call this the Camo twins. You know what I mean? But they didn't plan this. Like it just happened like this, innit?
yeah, wallah, it just happened.
It just happened. I'm telling you, bro. And the thing is, it's different. One's got the black and white one, another one's got the actual like original camo with the orange interior and stuff. I think that's swag. Personally, I think that's swag. Bang! We got the hoodie over the head. We got the bad boy. Look at that, mate. And the stash is thick as well. Look at that shit. Look, I'll zoom in for you. Bam! Look at that. Yeah. Hey, look who's so fresh and so clean. Ladies. I'd like all these pictures, but then that means that you're liking your pictures, and then people will be like,
Great.
you know what I'm saying? Get in there. Are you from Boston? What's your connection with Boston?
Nah, I don't know.
Yeah?
They're
Would you ever
nice,
want to
nice
study there,
people.
go there?
I have no idea. I've never really thought
Prof
like
is
this.
wearing a suit, guys. A tuxedo. Hey. Bruh. And we've got the casual approach. Where's this? What country is this in?
This is London.
This is London town?
Sure, yeah.
That's somewhere in like Minnesota or somewhere. Have you been to Minnesota?
Nah.
So question, where can they find you? At Sharky Dan.
What time?
But obviously Sharky Dan, but obviously get adding. Bang.
Take him out on Saturday. All the girls take him.
Yeah. Saturday take me out. But sponsor that video. Finesse. That's good. We did each other's Snapchat reviews. I think that could be a show, you know.
Reviews?
Snapchat each other's reviews. Like, what were you thinking when you took this picture?